Gulf of Suez. A slow-motion rift still pulling Africa and Asia apart. The Gulf of Suez, long considered a failed attempt at a new ocean, is still actively widening, albeit at a glacial pace. New research confirms that this critical geological boundary between Africa and Asia continues to stretch apart by roughly 0.5 millimeters each year, defying conventional geological models. The conventional story: a rift that failed around 28 million years ago, the Arabian tectonic plate began to separate from the African plate, initiating the formation of what would become the Gulf of Suez. This process typically leads to the birth of a new ocean basin, as seen with the Red Sea. However, approximately 5 million years ago, the rifting appeared to halt, leaving Suez as a gulf rather than a fully formed ocean. For decades, this has been the accepted narrative. Yet, subtle clues suggested otherwise. Uplifted ancient coral reefs, minor seismic activity, and localized ground deformation. These anomalies hinted at ongoing, albeit extremely slow, tectonic movement. New evidence: a decelerating, not failed, rift. Recent research, published in Geophysical Research Letters, challenges the failed rift designation. Scientists analyze topography, river paths, and the elevation of ancient coral reefs along the 300-kilometer rift zone. The evidence reveals a consistent pattern of continued stretching, despite a significant slowdown around 5 million years ago. The key finding is that the Gulf of Suez isn't a static geological feature. Instead, it's a decelerating rift, one that continues to pull apart, albeit at a rate comparable to the extension occurring in the western United States Basin and Range Province. Why this matters? Beyond textbooks, the implications of this discovery extend beyond academic debate. The continued, if slow, rifting suggests that the Gulf of Suez may be more prone to seismic activity than previously believed. The region's tectonic instability, long underestimated, could pose an underappreciated hazard. Moreover, the findings force a reevaluation of other so-called failed rifts around the world. If the Suez Rift hasn't truly stopped, other regions labeled as inactive may still harbor hidden tectonic forces. The persistence of tectonic forces, the study's lead author, David Fernandez Blanco, emphasizes that plate boundary shifts don't necessarily halt rifting altogether. The forces driving these processes are more complex and persistent than simple plate motion suggests. Even as tectonic action shifted towards the Dead Sea, the Gulf of Suez continued to stretch, albeit at a diminished rate. This research underscores the dynamic nature of Earth's tectonic systems. The planet's crust isn't merely breaking apart or settling into stability. It's in a constant state of adjustment, with slow, persistent movements shaping landscapes over millions of years. The Gulf of Suez serves as a stark reminder that even seemingly inactive geological features can harbor hidden forces, challenging our understanding of Earth's ever-evolving surface.